हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल इलेक्ट्रोजोन। आज हम आरआरबी एनटीपीसी के जो एग्ज़ाम्स होने वाले हैं उसके लिए एक मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आए हुए हैं। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर उसी तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है जिस तरीके से आरआरबी एनटीपीसी की सीबीटी 1 की एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे जाने वाले हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Buildup of which acid in our muscles during sudden activity causes cramps? तो सही आंसर है lactic acid. Question number 2. Who presented that all the plants and animals are composed of cells and that the cell is the basic unit of life? तो सही आंसर है M. Sliden and T. Swan. Question number 3. Which vitamin is essential for the absorption of calcium? Then the right answer is vitamin D. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an allotrope of the carbon? तो सही आंसर है D. Methane. Question number 5. Radon is the formed in the alpha decay of what? तो अल्फा डीके होने के बाद रेडॉन बनता है, बट किस में से? तो सही आंसर है रेडियम. 6th, केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ ओजोन इज, तो सही आंसर है O3. 7th, which organization will launch 2 missions named Gold and Icon to explore the ionosphere? Then the right answer is NASA. And what is the full form of NASA? It is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 8th, what is the effective resistance in ohm of two resistors 12 ohm and 24 ohm connected in parallel? Then the right answer is, after the calculation, is 8 ohm. 9th, if distance versus time graph is a straight line, inclined line, then it represents what? Then the right answer is uniform speed. 10th, a solution having pH equal to 0 is known as what? तो सही आंसर है highly acidic solution. 11th, which one of the following is not true about the image formed by the plane mirror? तो प्लेन मिरर के बाद जो इमेज बनता है उसके लिए क्या सही नहीं है? तो सही आंसर है इट इज द रियल इमेज. वो सही नहीं है बिकॉज वो इमेजिनरी इमेज और वर्चुअल इमेज क्रिएट करता है. 12th, Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March, a great event in Indian freedom struggle, was associated with, तो सही आंसर है सोडियम क्लोराइड और नमक. 13th, the number of water molecules associated with copper sulfate molecule to form crystals is, then the right answer is 5. 14. Which one of the following acts reserved seats for women in legislature in accordance with the allocation of seats for different communities? तो सही आंसर है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919. 15. Who among the following was one of the founder of Indian Society of Oriental Arts? Then the right answer is Avnindranath Tagore. 16th, which one of the following is not a land use category? Then the right answer is marginal land. 17th, which one of the following is not objective of Manrega? Then the right answer is providing up to 100 days of skilled labor in a financial year. 18th, which one of the following is the earliest launched scheme of the government of India? Then the right answer is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. 19th, Greta Thunberg, a teenage environment activist who was in news recently, hails from. Then the right answer is she is from Sweden. 20th, recently the Reserve Bank of India has imposed limitations initially for a period of 6 months on the withdrawal of amount by account holders of which one of the following bank? Then the right answer is PMC Bank or Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. 21st, the famous Mughal painting depicting Jahangir embracing the Safavid king Shah Abbas was painted by which of the following Mughal painter? Then the right answer is Abul Hasan. 22nd, in the India, how many states, union territories have more than 2 international boundaries? Then the right answer is 3 states are there which has more than 3 or have more than 2 international boundaries. 23rd, which one of the following soils is characterized by very high content of organic matter? Then the right answer is histosol. 24th, from which one of the following factory sites were limestones and church blades mass produced and sent to various Harappan settlement in the Sindh? Then the right answer is Sukkur and Rohri hills. 25th, who believed that Russian designs were an imminent peril to the security and tranquility of the Indian Empire in 1836? Then the right answer is Lord Palmerston. 26th, Gandhi Solar Park is located at where? 26th, right answer is New York. 27th, who among the following was the first to arrive in Africa as trader that eventually led to European colonies of Africa? Then the right answer is Portuguese. Portuguese was the one who came first in the Africa. 28th, the College of Military Engineering affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru University is situated at. The right answer is Pune. 29th, the first delimitation commission in India was constituted in. Then the right answer is 1952. 30th, who among the following stated in the Constituent Assembly that on 26th January 1915 India was going to enter a life of contradictions? Then the right answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 31st, maiden trilateral naval exercise involving India, Singapore and Thailand was held at. Then the right answer is Port Blair. 32, the National Water Academy is located at. Then the right answer is Khadakwasla. 33, which of the following is the latest edition of Ayush Group of healthcare system? Then the right answer is Sova Rigpa. 34th, according to the census 2011 in India, what is the percentage of people considered to be migrants? that is now settled in place different from their previous residence. Then the right answer is 35%. 35th, BRICS Summit 2020 will be hosted by BRICS. 35 सही आंसर है रशिया. 36, recently which of the following was conferred with Ideal Chief Minister award? Then the right answer is Captain Amrinder Singh. 37, India will send an aircraft to novel coronavirus hit on 27th February to deliver medical supplies. Then the right answer is Wuhan. 38, which of the following states has recently got 100% LPG coverage? Then the right answer is Himachal Pradesh. 39th, ISRO is going to launch its GSAT-1 on 5th March 2020. Then the right answer, consider the following statements about GSAT-1. First, it is a geosynchronous satellite. Second, it will be launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Select the correct answer using the code below. Then the right answer is both 1 and 2 are the correct one. 40th, multiple indicator cluster surveys was developed by. Then the right answer is UN Children's Fund, UNICEF. Reasoning. Now we are going to start the reasoning section. Now friends, here I will upload the correct solution for this, and I will upload this PDF link at the evening. So stay connected, and if you want to get all the correct solution of reasoning and aptitude questions, then please visit my blog post. There you can download the reasoning and quantitative aptitude solutions and even question paper too. Now we are going to start reasoning section. Question number 41. Select the figure that will come next in the following figure series. Then the correct answer is C. 42. In the given Venn diagram, the pentagon represents cricketers, square represents chess player, and circle represent clerks. The number given in the diagram represents the number of person in that particular category. So question number 42, first question is, how many cricketers are chess player but not clerks? So here we can say the correct answer is A, 22. Those are chess player but those are not clerks. So from figure we can say that. 43. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the following equation correct? 24 divided by 12 minus 6 into 6 plus 2 equals to 18. So here we want to correct this equation by interchanging the signs. So correct the answer is plus, and divided by is replaced by plus or divided by. 44. In the code language, informative is written as ROFNILVITA. How will superficial will be written as in that language? Then the correct answer is D. 45th. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. Now here we can say that 7th cube is 343 plus 1. So here we have to do cube of 11th and we have to add 1 in the cube of 11. So the correct answer is D. 46. Which letter cluster will replace the question mark in the following series? Now the correct answer is XZB. 47. How many triangles are there in the following figure? Then the correct answer is 28. Next question. Select the figure in which the given figure is embedded. Then the correct answer is C. 49th. Select the missing number from the given options. Then the correct answer is 64. 50. Two statements are given followed by three conclusions numbered 1, 2 and 3, assuming the statement to be true, even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. Decide which of the conclusion logically follows from the statements. Statements: all postcards are envelope and no envelope is a paper. Conclusion. Conclusion number 1, some envelopes are postcard. Conclusion number 2, no paper is an envelope. Conclusion number 3, no postcard is a paper. Then the correct answer for question number 50 is all the conclusion 1, 2 and 3 follows the statements. Question number 51. Which letter will replace the question mark in the following series? Then by checking these series we can say Y matlab B is the correct answer. 52. Arrange the following words in logical and meaningful order. Then right answer of question number 52 is 412635. Question number 53. Three of the following four letter clusters are alike in certain way and one is different. Pick the odd one out. Then the correct answer is C. Question number 54. A plus B means A is the brother of B. A minus B means A is the wife of B. A multiplication of B is A is the daughter of B. A divided by B means A is the father of B. If P plus S multiplication Q multiplication R minus T divided by V divided by U, then how T is related to P? Then the correct answer is maternal grandfather. Question number 55. Select the option that depicts how the given transparent sheet of paper would appear if it is folded at the dotted line. Then the correct answer is B. 56. The sum of the current ages of Asma and her grandfather is 80 years. 10 years from now, Asma's age will be 1/4 of her grandfather's age. What is the Asma's current age? Then we can say the correct answer after the calculation is 10 years. 57. Select the missing number from the given options. Then the correct answer is A. 58. Select the word pair in which the two words are related in the same way as the two words in the following word pair. Dermatology, that is skin. Then the correct answer is orthopedics, connected to the bonds. Question number 59. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure when mirror is placed to the right of the figure. Then the correct answer is given by C, because mirror is placed at this place. 60th. Valuable is related to precious in the same way as dry is related to what? Then the correct answer is B, aried. 61. Three of the following four number pairs are alike in a certain way and one is different. Pick the number pair that is different from the rest. Then the correct answer is 10 Jan 98. 62. Which number is replaced the questions mark in the following series? Series is 118, 129, 141, 154, 168, and next will be 183. 63. Three different positions of same dice are shown. Which symbol will be the on the face opposite to the one having the and sign? Then the correct answer is has sign. 64. In a code language, adios is written as 1184152119. How will system will be written as in that language? A is 1, R is 11, R is 18, matlab 18, D is 4. In the same manner, system can be written, and the correct answer is A. 65. Three of the following four words are alike in a certain way and one is different. Pick the odd word out. Correct answer is throat. Now there is a passage, and after reading the passage you have to answer 5 questions. So the passage is like: a group of 7 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U and V work as accounts manager, assistant manager, bank manager, branch manager, collection manager, IT officer and economist for the bank BOI, SBI, BOB, ICICI, HDFC, IDBI and Axis Bank, but not necessarily in the same order. R work for BOB and is neither an economist nor a collection manager. T is a bank manager and work for IDBI Bank. P works as a IT officer and it does not work for BOI or HDFC Bank. The one who is an assistant manager works for SBI Bank. The one who works for bank BOI works as a branch manager. U works for HDFC Bank. V works for ICICI Bank as an economist. S is not an assistant manager. Then we have to answer 5 questions from this passage. Now answer of 66. First read the question. Who amongst the following works as the assistant manager? Then the correct answer is B. What is the profession of R? Then the correct answer is accounts manager. 68. For which bank does Q work? Then the correct answer is SBI. 69th. What is the profession of person who works for the Axis Bank? Then the correct answer is IT officer. Which of the following combination of person, profession and bank is correct. Then the correct answer is none of these. Now quantitative aptitude section we will start here, and as I told, I will upload the PDF of all the solutions of quantitative aptitude and reasoning on my blog post, and link will be posted at this evening, so stay tuned. Question number 71. In a class of 40 students, 45% are girls and the remaining are boys. If the average of girls marks is 54 and that of the boys is 46, what is the average of whole the class? Then the correct answer is 49.6. 72. The value of cot square 62 minus sec square 28 plus cosec square 30 plus tan square 60 is equal to, then the correct answer is 6. 73. The value of 7.2 plus in bracket 8.4 divided by 0.12 into 0.2 bracket over minus 5 into 3 divided by 0.05 plus 3 is given by, then the correct answer is B, minus 275.8. If ABC equals to 6 and AB plus BC plus CA equals to 4, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to what? Then the correct answer is 144. 75. A train without stoppage travels with an average speed of 72 km per hour, and with stoppage it travels with an average speed of 60 km per hour. For how many minutes does the train stop on the average per hour? Then the correct answer is 10. 76. The radius of two circular faces of frustum of a cone area 5 cm and 4 cm. If height of the frustum is 21 cm, what is the volume in centimeter cube? Take pi equals to 22 divided by 7. Then the correct answer is C, 1342. 77. The table below indicates the percentage of student and the ratio of boys and girls in various streams of a college. Then what is the ratio? Here you can see that the ratio of students and boys and girls ratio. What is the ratio of student studying in CS and IT? Then the correct answer is 6:7. 78. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest on X rupees at 7.5% per annum for 2 years is 45 rupees. What is the value of X? Then the correct answer is 8,000 rupees. 79. Triangle ABC and triangle PRQ and PQ equals to 4 cm, QR equals to 7 cm, PR equals to 8 cm. If arc of PQR equals to 1/4, then AC is equal to, then the correct answer is 2 cm. Question number 80. The price of sugar is increased by 17%. A person wants to increase his expenditure by 8% only. By what percent should he decrease his consumption nearest to 1 decimal place? Then the correct answer is D, 7.7%. 81. If A plus B equals to 6 and AB equals to 16 divided by 3, then A cube plus B cube is equal to, Then the correct answer is 120. 82. If 6-digit number 4x573y is divisible by 72, then value of x plus y is. Then the correct answer is 8. 83. If a gem b equals to 2 gem 3 and c gem b equals to 5 gem 6, then a plus b plus c is equal to, then the correct answer is 4 gem 6 gem 5. 84. In a circle with a center O, AB is a diameter and CD is a chord such that ABCD is a trapezium. If angle BAC equals to 18 degree and then angle CAD is equal to what? Then the correct answer is 54. 85. The table below indicates the percentage of students and the ratio of boys and girls in various streams of colleges. Total students are 2600. Here ratio is given. What is the ratio of boys and girls? Then the correct answer is 1 gem 1. 86. If cosec theta equals to 13 by 12, then sin theta plus cos theta minus tan theta equals to what? Then the correct answer is minus 71 divided by 65. 87. Two articles are sold for 5,104 each. On one, the seller gains 16% and on the other, he loses 12%. What is his overall gain percentage nearest to two decimal places? Then the correct answer is 0.08%. 88. In ABC, AD is the median and P is a point on AD such that AP is to PD equals to 3:4, then triangle BPD and triangle ABC is equal to what? Then the correct answer is B, 2 gem 7. 89. A is 40% more efficient than B and C is 20% less efficient than B. Working together, they can complete a task in 20 hours. In how many hours will A alone complete 35% of that task? Then the correct answer is C. 90. If sin theta equals to cos 50 plus theta, then theta is equal to what? Then the correct answer is 20. The table below indicates the percentage of students and the ratio. Sorry friends, this question is repeated, so I am going to skip it. 92. Two chords AB and CD of a circle when produced meet at point P outside of the circle. If AB equals to 6 cm, PB equals to 5 cm, PD equals to 4 cm, then CD is equals to, then the correct answer is 9.75 cm. 94. An article is sold for 1680 after two successive discount of 20% and 16%. What is the marked price on the article? Then the correct answer is 2500. 95th. If root x minus 1 upon root x equals to root 6, then x square plus 1 upon x square is given by, then the correct answer is 62. 96. A sum becomes Rs 2286 in 3 years and rupees 2448 in 4 years at simple interest. What is the rate of interest per annum? Then the correct answer is B, 9%. Selling price of a fan is 4644. If profit percent is 29%, then what is the cost price of the fan? Then the correct answer is 3600. 98. The marked price of a helmet is 30% more than the cost price. If the helmet is sold at rupees 744 after a discount of 36 rupees, then what will be the profit of percentage? Then correct answer is 24th. 99th. Which of the following statement is or are true? Then here two statements are given. 4 root 3 is greater than 3 root 4, and second 8 root 2 greater than 2 root 8. Then the correct answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 100. S, T and U together can complete a work in 30 days if the ratio of efficiency of S, T and U is 20 is to 15 is to 12 respectively, then in how many days U alone can complete the same work? Then the correct answer is 235 divided by 2. So friends, if you like this video, then must share it with your friends and do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you so much.